In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your HP Photosmart 5520 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. Doesn't really matter which one, but into Google, you want to search for HP Photosmart 5520 support. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be an HP support page that says HP Photosmart 5520E all-in-one printer software. Go ahead and open that up. And now on this page, you want to scroll down underneath driver product installation software and select the HP Photosmart 5520E all-in-one printer series full feature software and drivers. So go ahead and download that. And then once it's on your system, go ahead and open up the files to begin extracting it. It should be a signed publisher from HP Inc. So you just want to go ahead and select yes if you receive a user account control prompt on here. And then just would follow along with the on-screen prompts. You can choose your software selection if you don't want to install certain pieces of software here that are optional. And then you would just select next and then follow through with the on-screen steps to finish installing and configuring your printer based on your preferences. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.